When it comes to picking a health insurance plan, you may see terms like HMO and PPO. So what are those? Hi, I'm Jessica Mannion at My Healthcare Direct, and in this video I'm going to be going over what HMO and PPO plans are and the pros and cons to each. What is an HMO plan? An HMO plan stands for Health Maintenance Organization. These plans provide access to certain doctors and hospitals that are listed within its network. A network is made up of health providers who have agreed to lower their rates for plan members and also meet quality standards. What is a PPO plan? A PPO plan stands for Preferred Provider Organization. These plans are more flexible when selecting doctors and hospitals. These plans also offer a network with healthcare providers and can offer fewer restrictions when it comes to seeing non-network providers. HMO versus PPO. What are the pros and cons? Before deciding on which type of health insurance plan you want to select for you and your family, it is important to know both the pros and cons to each type of plan. When it comes to HMO plans, some of the pros include that they typically have lower monthly premiums and they can have low or no deductibles. However, some of the cons for an HMO plan include that you usually are required to select a primary care physician. You are also typically required to obtain a referral from your primary care physician before seeing a specialist. And finally, there is usually no non-emergency coverage outside of the insurance plan's network. When it comes to PPO plans, some of the pros include that you do not need to select a primary care physician. You do not need a referral in order to see a specialist, and these plans usually include some out-of-network coverage. It is important to note that on these plans, going out of network to receive services will typically be more expensive than staying in network. Some of the cons when it comes to PPO plans are that these plans typically have higher monthly premiums and they also usually have a deductible. If your financial situation dictates that cost is most important, you might want to seriously consider going on an HMO plan. If flexibility and choice are most important, then a PPO plan might be a better choice. If you have any other questions about HMO plans and PPO plans, feel free to give our office a call at 888-959-1028. You can also check out our website at www.myhealthcaredirect.com, and you can also like us on Facebook.